Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another YouTube video. Outside Rides with a Z. How y'all boys doing? It is almost 11 o'clock p.m. and we are out on a late night ride. I got my head mount, so you feel me? Everywhere we look, you'll see it. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and we just came from the store. We're gonna go ahead and make this right here. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all leave a like on this video. You feel me? My scooter's kind of tweaking out. I'm literally going like 16, 17, 18, 19. My scooter's saying 3. So I don't know if my scooter's about to give up in life, or we just, we need an e-bike or something. We need something different. So yeah, pretty much cruising down Greenwood right now. We're gonna go ahead and go downtown, see what's going on downtown as well. We're gonna take wash. Hopefully if this scooter cuts out on me, GG's, cause I'm not no way. It's a little dark out. Of course. Late night. All right. Yeah, my scooter is tweaking. Look at it. I mean, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. But yeah, bro. Feels good to take a little nice ride. It's fucking cold as fuck. Not really. I don't know if some of y'all not used to the heat or the cold. What's going on? And why is people speaking to me? I don't know who that was, but we cruising though. We all in the street. Yo, scooter's doing good. They're saying we're going 3 miles per hour, but I highly doubt it. Let me see. Yeah, my scooter is messed up. Literally, they're all in the same sport, in the same mode, and yeah, pretty much. I'm going the same speed. It's all right. It makes this lane that way. It's a little quiet. Y'all see I got my little light on. Got my little light on in the back. Yeah, sir. Got a car coming from behind. My hair all in my eye. I can't see. But yeah, bro. Let me get on this side. I got an incoming car. Let's see where they headed. Okay, yep, they're going by. Of course they're going by. It's 2, it's 3. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stay right here. We're gonna cruise. Oh shit, my hair keeps getting in my eye. I'm looking back. I don't wanna get on the sidewalk, but I'm gonna have to, huh? Yes, I'm gonna have to share the road eventually. I'm gonna have to get on this sidewalk. I'm scared. I don't want to. If y'all can drive, y'all can drive. Shit. I'm the one on the scooter. Yes, sir. Go around. Yes, sir. Hey. Alrighty. Got another car behind me. I'm not getting on that sidewalk. Oh yeah. Y'all can go around. There ain't no incoming cars. Y'all be good to go around. Yes. They probably like, why is this dude in the road? Yeah, what up, man? Alright. He's still speaking. I'm dead. Alright. Yes, sir. We're in the heart of Washington. See the heart of Washington? Got Pine right here. I'm gonna head straight. I'm pushing right now. We pushing. It's pushing through right now, though. All right. Okay. Smooth. She's smooth right now. Hey, it's windy. Not even windy. It's just a nice breeze. It's a nice, lovely breeze. We're gonna cut through here because we got a car. Damn, that was rough. That was hella rough. All right, they still open. They close soon. I'm gonna cut down this way. Oh yeah. Got no traffic here. I used to live over there, man. It used to be lit around this area. It used to be so lit. Like, I'm talking lit. Like, yeah. slither on through here. We got some people outside over there. Alright. Got a car on my tail. We're gonna go ahead and slither on straight through the light. Okay, y'all go ahead. Y'all good. Y'all good. Coming through my turn. She dead out tonight, is it? Yeah. She seems dead. Very. Let's see what we got going on down here, though. I doubt it. I don't see anything over here really too much. The lights are on. We got the lights out looking pretty once again. Lights on. I think I shot a music video over there, but it never released. I don't know where it was from. What scene? Nah, me and my boy AK, we shot a vid. It was Seesaw. It was Seesaw. That's what it was. We had some Seesaw scenes up in there, and that shit was litty. We're not making it stop. That's right. That's right. California. I see you with your roll. I see you with your roll. Yes, Lord. Let's get him right through here. Looks beautiful out right now, though. I mean, you know, night lights. Oh, whoa. I heard lights. Sirens and shit. Bruh. Yes, Take my cruise, got that bar again. Got that bar over there again. You know, it's a little, oh yeah, it's dead. It's a little dead out tonight. She empty. It definitely is empty. You know what I mean? Come up to this stop right here. Okay. Got this bumpy road again. Oh Jesus. Okay, we're doing alright right now. We ain't, I should have got up there. I ain't gonna do it. Y'all hear the sirens? Where's the action? If I could ride to it, I would. We're gonna have to get a little bit of noisy here. I mean, that's not bad. I just don't like it on my scooter. Ugh, come on. I gotta get off of this. Ugh. We're gonna make this right here. Where them noises come from? I would like to know. You're right here with it. I hope my shit don't turn off. I know somebody was going down the hill with one of these and they shit said, I think this shit fucked up. It said EF, and that, you know what that means. No more, it's over. GG's. We're gonna skim on this way. Or no, the siren's all the way on the other side of the bridge. Now see, if I had an e-bike, yeah, maybe, but not right now. I ain't gonna do all that right now. All right. Yes, sir. We're gonna skim straight. I'm coming with you, buddy. I know the way. Oh, doing my thing. Okay. Them dudes out here walking. They out here taking that extra mile. Oh. Somebody done started the car up. Them boys see me twice. They're like, where is he going? They see me again, it's up. They gonna jump on my ass. Psych, nah. Like, what's going on, G? Bro, looking at me and shit. All you see is eyes. He look like a cat. Got the police out here. Police officer. Good afternoon, officer. Oh, hell no. Yes, Lord. Oh, yeah. Just cruising. Let me see. Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna skim back down this way, though. What do you say? More light. Y'all need some more light? Yes, sir. Nice little ride at night, man. Nice little ride. Feel me? I gotta make sure I can make it back home. So, hey, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. It was a nice little ride through the city. Nice little late night cruise. I'm gonna catch y'all on this next video, man. Hopefully we can get an e-bike sooner or later, man. You feel me? Once we do that, we'll be all locked in. But without further ado, leave a like on this video. It's your boy, man. Outside Rides with a Z. I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh shit, this light is not okay. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna catch y'all on this next video. All right, sub up. Let's do it.